Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the latest Anycubic Photon Mono M7AE version Mono MSLA 3D printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7AE version is an advanced MSLA 3D printer renowned for its precision in resin printing, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Utilizing LCD-based MSLA technology, it achieves fine details and smooth surface finishes by curing layers with UV light, ensuring high print quality comparable to 14K 3D printers. It operates on Anycubic's proprietary operating system and includes the user-friendly Anycubic Photon Workshop 3.1 slicing software for efficient model preparation and print optimization. The printer operates on a voltage range of 110-220 V, facilitating compatibility with global power standards, and connects via USB for easy file transfers. Certified with CE, the printer upholds European safety and quality standards. It utilizes high-speed resin for faster printing without sacrificing quality, while lacking traditional filament use. Notably, it does not feature auto-leveling or wireless connectivity, requiring manual bed leveling and USB data transfers. Temperature control mechanisms are absent, as curing relies on UV light. Chemical safety is prioritized, with the printer designed to avoid high-concern chemicals, enhancing user-friendliness for various environments. Manufactured in mainland China, the Anycubic brand is recognized for delivering quality 3D printing solutions. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.